Today we're going to be showing you how to install your front seat covers on your SUV.
To start, unbox your package and find the 2 front seat covers that will be located inside. If your seat covers come in 2 pieces, skip to 2 minutes and 20 seconds. You will also find both headrests for the front seat inside those covers. To get them ready to be installed, pull that bottom flap out from inside the seat cover and unbuckle both buckles found at the bottom of the cover. You can also unzip the side zipper. If for any reason you decide you do not want the lumbar support before installing, you can go into the back of the seat cover and pull the cushion out with the zipper attached below. The first step inside the vehicle is to take the headrest off. You do not necessarily have to remove it. It helps with the installation process to get the cover down the seat. Fresh out the box, the seat covers have not yet conformed to your seat, so you may have to wiggle to get them on tight. Then we will tuck the flaps at the top of the seat cover into the holes where the headrests lay. Once those are tucked, you can go ahead and button them up on top. Next, we will find the bottom buckles of our seat cover and we will loosen them up and push them into the crease of the seat in order to be found in the back. Then we will take the top buckles of the seat cover, loosen them up like we did before, and pull the bottom of the seat cover down to conform to your seat. Once we have the bottom conformed, we can take these top buckles and thread them underneath our seat. Push them through as far as you can so that it's easy to find them at the back of the seat. For more room in the back, you can move your seat forward. Now that we're in the back, we'll find the 2 bottom buckles that we threaded through the crease of the seat and the 2 top buckles that we threaded underneath the seat and zip them together. For the tightest fit, it's best to cinch the top buckles or the ones we sent underneath the seat first. Repeat this same process for the other buckle. It's now time to zip the zipper on the side. It is very important that you pull both ends of the zipper together before zipping. With the new model of our seat covers, you will first start by slipping the back part of the cover down the seat. Like we did on the other covers, button and tuck the top. Now we will take the wheels and attach them to the elastic bands at the bottom of the seat. That way you can shove them through the creases. Once they are through the creases, it will keep that piece locked into place. We will now take the bottom half of the cover, place it over the seat, extend the female part of the buckles and push them through the crease of the seat. Now you can situate the seat on top to your liking and send the male end of the buckles underneath. Then buckle underneath the seat and pull the straps tight. Last step is to slide the cover over the headrest and put the headrest back on the seat. Lastly, slide the universal headrest cover over your headrest, ensure to fit it as far as possible, and Velcro together. Lastly, put that headrest cover on and you are done with your driver's seat. Just complete the same process for the passenger seat and you are done with your installation. If you run into any problems along the way, email us at info@seatcoversolutions.com.